Spin Master Monster Jam Gravedigger TRAX. Welcome fans back to another video here on Monster Truck Classics, and I'm going to be unboxing the Gravedigger TRAX by Spin Master. This is a radio controlled tank gravedigger. First off with the box, but we have it can do some wheelies. It says conquer any terrain, dirt, rocks, snow, grass. It charges by USB. It drives and floats on water. That would be really interesting. For a front view, of course this isn't anything new. And the contents right here, it says one Gravedigger TRAX controller, one USB charging cable. Now the treads of the tank are rubber, and you can kind of see how they are made. How they kind of curve around. The controller itself looks like the same controller as the other Gravedigger 40th anniversary backflip truck. Here are some pictures of the Gravedigger in the different elements, USB, and we see that it can turn all different directions and up to 150 feet away. I believe that's how far away you can still drive it. It says high performance RC, nose and tail wheelies. So let me go ahead and get this out of the box here, this packaging. Here is the instruction booklet for it. With the Gravedigger TRAX out of the package, we can see more of what it looks like. Just pretty much your standard Gravedigger body. And of course the red headlights. And this is massive tank TRAX. Back here, it looks like maybe that will help us with doing the wheelies. So you're not supposed to put any water in here. Here is the on and off switch. This looks like to be the USB port. So you want that down in there like that so that you don't get any water in there. Let me go ahead, turn it upside down. A lot of styrofoam. And you can also see a lot of styrofoam in this area as well. And also, yeah, there is the other styrofoam underneath the body. A lot of styrofoam just so that a lot of the electronics do not get water in it. And here is the remote that it comes with. So up top here on the packaging is where the USB cord is. I was trying to figure it out where it was on the box or underneath Gravedigger, but figured it out. Here is the USB cord. Here is the instruction manual, and go over and read about everything for the Gravedigger and all the different parts and what does what and how to connect the USB cord and how long it charges or charge time. Not even sure myself, since I'm just doing this unboxing, how long it charges for, or a display or whatnot. If there is a light, I don't know yet, but go ahead and yeah, just go over the instruction manual. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them, but I do not work for Spin Master. This ends the unboxing of the Gravedigger TRAX. Thank you for tuning in. Please be on the lookout in the coming week for a run video of this vehicle in action.